I don't have makeup on.
Dude, it's so gorgeous. Like, I feel summer creeping up, y'all. Look at this shit, guys. Gorgeous, no? Got the little forest behind our house. I wish we were here when those are like grown as fuck, but oh well. Come on, boo. Oh shit, there's the duck. That's so funny. Guys, look at the cute little puppy. So yeah, guys, we're gonna plant some plants, okay?
Hi.
Hello. Guys, look at these plants are dying, but we gotta plant them, y'all. Gotta plant these. Hey, slow down on my fucking neighborhood, beach. These people fucking walking, asshole. Better stop at the stop sign.
First, we need to take all this out.
Planting with my sis.
We like to garden.
Yeah, we garden. This is like...
We like to appreciate the small things.
Yeah, appreciate the small things. So excited that we have cameras already for our house. Any of these fucking haters try to fuck with our flowers? Bitch, we got you on motherfucking camera, bitch.
All the people that hate me at school because I'm bad.
Fuck the motherfucking haters.
See, there's like a shrub growing though right here. But it's okay.
Hey, look at my bar. And I have dash cams too, so if y'all try to fuck with my shit, I have dash cams in the front and back, bitch. So what?
Oh, we should tell them a sneak peek of what we're gonna do. Remember I told you the drive-thru thing?
Never. Just kidding, yeah, maybe. This view is so pretty. How much do you charge?
Shut up.
I hope my audio is not fucked up. Hey, baby. Where you going?
Coco.
Get your ass.
Coco.
Get your brother.
Coco.
Coco.
Coco. Coco.
Coco.
Coco.
Alright guys, I'm going to tell you guys how to garden. We are gardening. Hello?
What?
What are those flowers called?
I don't know. Let me see.
We're doing daffodils. Well, yeah.
Wait, daffodil. Duh.
Daffodil. I thought it was that word too. But alright guys, this is how to garden 101.
I look so Chinese. Okay. I'm gonna tell you about my day. So I went to school, obviously. And what happened today? Oh, I have like 20 million projects due by like next week. And I'm not really a procrastinator, but like, you know, it's hard. And I think it's like, a big factor is like being military, because it's like you have to keep up with everything. You have to start over when you move, and like you don't have family with you, so it's like a little harder. So like I managed to maintain like a home life, a social life, a social life, like a sport life, and then my classwork and homework, whatever. And it's so difficult.
Get over here. Damn, it's hot.
Alright, let's go.
Dude, hurry up.
Tap out.
Yo. So guys, what you want to do is dig a hole big enough for those to go in. So we have one so far, so you guys can see.
Alright, get the other one.
That's not a hole big enough. And you guys want to grab it like so. Go slipped. And then just let it go.
I need to get this dirt.
And you guys want to put it down like so? Like so?
Dang, this one's big.
No shit. Make sure you cover it right. Guys, just make sure you want to cover it right. Cover it right. Just kidding. Alright, you grab one, I'll dig a hole. Hurry up. Go, go, go. And you want to pat it down. Zuh. And then we'll probably title it The Worst Garden. See, that's a good spaced out. So you need them a little spaced out.
No, it's good. Make sure it's 4 things down.
Shut up with your drone.
Dang, that thing goes high though. Coco's so confused. She's looking up.
Fuck a drone. Fuck
Don't get any ideas.
Trying to drone up in the air.
Coco. Coco. Coco.
That's enough. That's like perfect hole.
Alright. Dude, this is so clear.
Hurry up!
Alright. I need to put this here.
Stupid drone!
Something poked me.
Dude, hurry, my fucking legs are burning.
Dude, literally something's in there that just...
So you want to put this shit down, put the roots.
But you know, I'm a busy girl.
Alright guys, just switching angles. Damn! Dude!
She ran. Angel let her chase the bird.
Where she went to?
Over there. She like just went though. You like them? Mom? Go to the... Say it again, right?
It's a survival 101. If you're ever in trouble, if you're ever starving, go to your garden. Get ready? Alright, this is my sister about to survive.
His sis.
What you want to do is take out the out stuff. This is the stuff you don't want to eat. What you don't want to eat. Alright. Take a bite. Bite it right, dude. For real. It's really good. You have to eat the inside. It's really good. I ate the inside. You gotta eat it. If you were dying, dude, this is fucking.
I just ate it. We're probably
Eat
gonna
more.
die now.
Eat more. I ate a lot. That's a nice onion too. I picked out for you. It's actually really good.
Dude, it's kind of hot.
Dude, it's just I thought it was hot, but it's not.
Dude, that's like death right there.
Let me see. This is bomb. It's really good, dude. Honestly. Oh my god, guys, I'm done. We are done, guys. We planted our shits. Let's see how they look in a couple months. Summer's out.
And we're also gonna grow jalapenos
Buns out.
and tomatoes.
We're gonna grow tomatoes and jalapenos. But yeah, guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Love you. We're about to get the trash can and throw this shit away. My house is so pretty, huh? This is where I film. Do you guys really want like a house tour? I know I said that when I first moved here. But if you guys really would like a house tour, let me know and comment. Comment if you want a motherfucking house tour. Let me know.
Hold on.